Guys, this is Zebroon here. Come with me, let's unbox my new Starlink Mini. So guys, this is the Starlink Mini. I finally received it and it's been a long while now. The savings I've been doing for this Starlink Mini is crazy because the money is hard to come by these days. So you have to do small before you can get it. So I finally received it and I'm going to unbox it so we can see what is inside the box and what you should expect when you buy it. So I have a lot of rumors. There are so many subscription fee if you are trying to set it up in Accra. I don't know yet. When I'm setting it up, I'll record everything and share with you all the fees I have to pay and all that. So today we are going to see what is in the box and also things you should expect buying the Mini, because it's kind of cute, right? It's kind of cute and I bought it for so many purposes. You know, I'm about to go to so many adventure places and all that, so I need something simple I can carry on my backpack when I go to the forest, when I go to the road trip. I can just put it somewhere and just access internet and then share my content with you. So guys, let's unbox this Starlink Mini. So let me go back so you see it very well, right? So here, you have to peel this thing right here. Right, okay. So what again? So you also have to peel this side. Okay, so what do we have? What do we have to do more? Okay, so we have to do more peeling from this side too. Okay. Wow, the moment of the truth. The moment of the truth, guys. Here it is. Okay, so let me show it to you. Okay, this is actually the Starlink Mini, right? This is what you have in the box. So let me see. Right here is the Starlink itself, right? This is the antenna which you are going to mount it outside to capture the signal, right? So this is how it looks like. It looks nice, very nice. And this one, you can even carry it on your backpack when you are going out or when you are going somewhere. You see, it is very cute, right? So let me put it here and then we see what is in the box. So in the box, you have a power brick. This is the power brick that comes with the Starlink Mini. Okay, so what again? This is also a mount for the, I think if you want to mount it on a pole or something, this is what it comes with. And also it comes with a long cable, right? A very long cable. I think it's a power cable, yes. So the last is the manual. So that is the only thing that the Starlink Mini comes with. Okay, the manual, the cable, the mount, the power brick, and also the main Starlink antenna stroke router, I would say. So these are the things in the box. So as you can see, so I'll do another video also sharing with you how I'm setting it up in Accra, because I learned that from Kumasi and other regions in Ghana, you can set it up without having any hustle and you don't have to pay any excessive fees. But in Accra here, I don't know why. They are charging us like crazy. Anyway, we still have to do it and use it. So guys, I'll share with you in another video how I'll set it up and the internet speed. I'll test everything from my location, and then you can also see what is going on right here. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. Press notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. My name is Zebroon. Enjoy the rest of my videos. Peace.